Okay, so for this video, I am going to teach you how to plot your drawing. So sa pag-plot sa inyong drawings class, diri mo sa paper space or sa layout. So assuming that you already have made your title block and your margins, so mauna na siya ang itsura niya. You also need to make your labels here sa paper space or sa layout space for your drawings. So diri ni siya dapat dili dito sa sulod para uniform ang iyahang sizes all throughout your sheets. So we are going to insert your drawings now nga naa dito sa model space. You just have to make a viewport and the command for that is MV enter. You create a rectangle inside your drawing space kung asa ninyo isulod ang inyong drawing. So we have here ang naaani is your model space. So, naadiri tanan ninyong mga drawings that you wanted to print or plot. So, if we're going to print your floor plan, inyo lang siyang i-position here, and then you change the scale here. Scale of the selected viewport. You just have to change 1:100 para ang inyong floor plan is 1:100. And then i-center ninyo na siya. And then double click outside if you're good with that, if you're satisfied with that. And then, kaning viewport, you need to change the layer of this into reference. Kay para, dili siya ma-appeal og print. Okay? Para walay box there ang unnecessary boxes. And then after that, double check your drawings, double check the contents of your title block, the labeling and the numberings of your drawing. And then, for plotting or printing, just type Control P and then change the settings into unsay naa diri DWG to PDF, ISO expand A3, layout for plot area, monochrome, ang scale is custom, 1 mm is to 0.001 ang units, and then preview. Okay. So, i-double check ninyo if you're already satisfied with the line weights, the labels, mga dimensions, the contents of your title block. If you're good to go, right-click and then plot. So, you choose na dayon kung asa ninyo siya i-save sa inyong computer. Then, save. Mapaingon na siya kung asa ninyo dito i-save dayon. Mao na to siya nga file ang inyong dalon sa print shop for printing.